So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a rhubarb pavlova. I had some rhubarb left over that was going to go bad and decided to whip up this quick plated dessert. So I chopped up the rhubarb into batons and transferred them into a pot. Afterwards I zested 2 oranges and juiced them and added the juice to the pot along with some sugar. I added around 100 grams. And afterwards I cooked the rhubarb off. Now you need to watch this part very intently because the rhubarb can go from raw to mush really quickly, and as you can see I cooked mine a little bit too much, but nonetheless I still had a few beautiful chunks left that I could use for my presentation. Afterwards I strained the rest of the mixture just so that I can get that sweet syrup that we have, and I can use it to decorate the plate too. I cooked it off a little bit more just to reduce it and thicken it up. Afterwards I got started on my meringue and I whipped it up with, it's just egg whites and sugar, and whipped it up until stiff peaks and placed it in a piping bag and piped little towers. So I didn't pipe them too high because I wanted to stack the dessert up, and if I pipe them too high it'll be too bulky. So I added a little bit of cream on my plate and put my meringue on top just so it doesn't move. Filled it up with some rhubarb filling, then rhubarb chunks. And I placed a second piece of meringue on top and filled it up with more rhubarb filling. Afterwards, I cannelled some cream on top and flattened the surface on top just so we have a nice space for the last rhubarb chunks that we're going to be putting there for presentation. And all that's left to do is add the syrup. You can add as much as you want. And yeah, this is my take on a very simple rhubarb dessert, and you can actually use any fruit that you want, and I hope you enjoyed this video.